relax. We gotta stop and get gas first, though. But bringing you all on the adventure.
Alrighty guys, so I just figured I'd update you a little bit. She had to run into Lowe's. We got to get a few more things that we didn't get yesterday, but we've got the birds. We ended up getting a few more things than we expected to get, but I just wanted to touch bases with you guys. See the pizza box in the back there. She had to get pizza while we was out today, but anyway, yeah, whenever I get home and I get them in their coop, I'll let you see them.
Just got out of Lowe's. Don't worry, I was safe. Got some bedding and chicken wire.
Yeah, literally everywhere sold out of chips right now, so.
Yeah, we just got some seating straw. Hopefully it should work out. But, home. Just wanted to show you what I'm making Brandon do. Why are you print like that? Anyway, onward. It is now raining. We did, but we didn't prepare for this. We have like the air fresheners.
But yeah, it's raining now. We've still got about 20-ish minutes before we get back home. And we brought a tarp for this, but used the rope we brought for the tarp to tie the chicken cages.
I may or may not have just hit a bird. I think I just like went up and over,
But we used the rope we brought for the tarp to tie the chicken cages to keep them from sliding around. So, so dropped you guys. Sorry. But anyway, we're gonna try to safely get home really fast. I keep from getting the birds too wet.
without maybe hitting another one. I don't think I hit it. I think it's okay.
I don't think you hit it.
You ready? You want to see chickens? Let's go. You ready? Dad, you want to go sit? Oh my goodness, be careful. Is that Buck Buck?
You got duckies in here. We gotta get those out. Here's camera mom.
Yeah, Dad Buck Buck. Are you excited?
You ready, Lana? Come on.
Catching some holes.
You got me on camera doing this?
Yeah.
I ain't doing it right. This is all I've got right now.
To be fair, we weren't exactly planning on getting ducks too. We just had an extra lot, so.
That'll just keep them from squeezing through that hole until I can actually attach the fence to the building.
Ooh, baby. You ready?
Back.
Yeah.
No. He sounds hoarse.
Yes, sir.
Do you read this? What do you think of that?
What is that, Lila?
I thought their wings were the same as chickens, but I guess not.
No. Lila? Is that yours? Is that your duck?
Lila, be careful.
What is that, Lila?
Wah, wah. Did you get dirty? Yeah. Chasing the ducks. You stepped in it, didn't you?
That's not for Lila. That's for the ducks. Lila has to get in the bathtub after a while.
Yeah. That went.
Training corn.
They're warming up to the
Get
place.
it off of the back.
We gotta get on a bigger tub though.
Yeah. Really? Look, what are these? Hey, come here.
Come see your duck, your box.
Nikki.
Box.
I'm a good one, baby.
Cookie's sure checking it out, ain't she?
What do you think, Cookie?
Now you got your...
Finishing the gate. You done?
Yep.
Okay. Now that that's over with, I figured we'd actually explain some of what we're doing. We are currently putting a way of holding this up. This won't be for the chickens, it's just to like clean the cage and whatever. But that wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. But we're doing that, and we have to fix the gate because we never actually kind of put it together. And then we have to finish the fence, and then we can put the chickens in here because we were very prepared. Redneck, but efficient.
It works.
I'll show you what we're talking about. We need to put netting on this and then put it here, and then we need to finish this netting out.
Give me a hand.
Yeah. I gave you guys like a really good shot of what it looks like inside the coop, but this is what it looks like. I'm just cleaning it out so we can put the chickens in here. So he's putting the hay in. We're gonna clip their wings and put them in there so they're not stuck in that cage and they can get used to it. We still have to finish this gate and put it up, but that's where we're at right now. All you're seeing right now is a chicken butt, but we're clipping wings. I'm sorry if that's really bad quality. I'm trying to hold a chicken too. Let's see how they do. How does that feel?
And what we're doing here, I didn't know this until today. I used to fight with them and hold them down, but the guy today showed me it doesn't hurt them to flip them over. And once you get them straight, they just calm down and they'll stay there until you clip their wings. You wanna hold them, baby?
Yeah. I'ma hop off. If you can see, we got 3 of them in there. We got 1 left to do. Update. They're still all in there. Doing pretty good. Soon, girls. I promise. So, gate has been finished and in the process of putting it up. By the way, this isn't permanent. We are going to change it out whenever we get more wood and
Come hold this, please.
actually like set everything up. This?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But this is just for right now to be able to like let the chickens out tonight and let them kind of get used to where they're gonna be. But anyway, we'll get back to it. We are about to let the chickens out. Finishing touches. I just cleaned up like the yard as far as like the wood and stuff goes. See y'all when we let them out. Letting them out.
Look, Dad's got your chickens in there. Look. They got your chickens in there. They're going to work out now. They will go roost.
Yeah, it's getting a little dark. Careful, don't lean on it.
They're roosting, but I'll let one of them out.
He can't fly, he don't like it. I keep saying he. I know they're all girls.
What are you gonna do? Huh? We gotta cut that pole off too. I put supports under it in case the kids feel like sitting on it.
The wires will scratch you. The wires.
I think he's gonna get the rest of them out. They fell asleep, but
No.
they need water. How you guys liking it? What do you think? Buck Buck? Love you, Buck Buck. Yeah, that's a Buck Buck. Yeah, the Buck Buck. Bubba's. Ziggy. You see Buck Bucks? You see the Buck Bucks? You do too? Oh my goodness. Chickens. The chickens. What's Daddy got? Daddy's gonna feed them. Give them water.
You're getting the water this time, little girl.
Yay! Are you feeding the chickens? That's what Daddy did, huh? What do you think, Cookie? What do you think? What do you think?
Got their corn, baby. Woohoo!
You still throwing corn, dude? Yeah. We just put chickens up for the night. Now we're going to check on the chickens. Or, yeah, the ducks. Whatever. It's been a long
Let me
day.
see it. I'll see if I can lean you guys over to see that duck that got a baby.
Right there in front.
He's not going to turn around, but he's just got a little spot of blood on his
There you go.
side.
Yeah. It's
can't-
dry now completely.
Yeah,
He's
you
not
can't really see it.
bleeding. They just walk through it.
They walked through it and the last one tripped because he's the smallest.
What is that? Just went and got the little house. We're gonna put some straw in it. Sorry, the quality's not the best. It's getting dark. There we go. Gotta help him real fast. Got that all set up. He's gonna show him where it's at.
What do you think, baby? You like them?
We'll show you guys how they're doing in the morning so that it's not so dark, but
Probably in the next video.
for right now, this is what you get. So we are kind of like settled in for the night. We have the chickens and the and the ducks in their little homes. But I had to show you how cute they were with their little foxes. Are you guys about to watch a movie? Are you watching a movie? No? Yeah. Okay, I'll hit play. But anyways, see you guys tomorrow.